In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Canva watermark from a website. Before we dive into the fix, let's clarify what you might be seeing. There are two common types of Canva watermarks. The first is the Designed by Canva branding that appears in the footer of websites published on Canva's free domain. The second is watermarks that show up on individual designs when you use premium elements without proper access. Today's walkthrough is about removing the Canva branding from your published website, not the design element watermarks. If your live site shows Designed by Canva or a Canva logo in the footer, that's happening because the site is published on Canva's free domain. The cleanest way to remove that branding is to publish your website to your own custom domain. When you connect a domain you own, like www.yourwebsite.com, the Canva footer branding typically disappears. Here's how to set that up. Open your site in Canva and go to Publish. Choose Edit, then look for site address or URL. From there, select the option to connect a custom domain. You'll walk through linking your domain to Canva so your site loads at your own address instead of the free Canva URL. Keep in mind, custom domain publishing is usually available with Canva Pro or a paid plan. Once your custom domain is connected and the site is republished, the Canva branding should no longer appear. If the change doesn't show right away, give it a little time for the connection to update and then refresh your live site. If you don't currently have access to custom domains, consider upgrading. Paid plans give you more control over branding and publishing options, including using your own domain. To check your current plan or upgrade, click your profile icon in Canva, choose Account Settings, then find Billing and Teams or Billing and Plans in the left sidebar. There you'll see whether you're on the free plan, Pro, Canva for Teams, or Enterprise, and you can proceed with an upgrade if it's available to you. It's important to note that if you stay on the free plan and keep your site on Canva's free domain, the Designed by Canva footer won't go away. The ability to remove that footer is tied to publishing on a custom domain, which is a paid feature. That's it. Focus on publishing to your own domain and, if needed, upgrade your plan to unlock that option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present a clean, professional website without the Canva footer.